Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. Today I have some exciting finds to share with you and normal everyday household items that I always repurchase. First, I wanted to start by sharing with you the food items that I picked up this time. So this time I'd been seeing this for a while, but I really am interested in trying this iced tea and water lemonade. So I picked up one of those. I've seen everyone hauling these, so I'm interested in, I like coffee, so I'm interested in trying these iced lattes in the vanilla. Picked up two of these Hershey's cookies and cream milkshakes. I got some top ramen shrimp and top ramen beef. I also got one of these sugar-free A&W on-the-go 6-drink mix packets. And some applesauce. Moving into the household items, I picked up a 30-count foam plates. 3 of the bath tissues, I still have them in the bag. Aluminum foil sheets, 30 count. Good Sense handle bags. You get 10 bags. They're scented like vanilla. I love these bags. I also grabbed another one of these Good Sense flap ties lawn and leaf bags. These are 39 gallons, and they had a deal today where you could get, instead of 5, you got 7. I picked up some Puffs tissues, and normally I get the Scotty's brand, but today I really like this box, so I got the Puffs brand today. A pack of these heavy duty plastic poultry set. You get 48 in here. You get forks, spoons, and knives. More household items. I did pick up the Lysol Clean and Fresh multi-purpose surface cleaner, and this makes 5 gallons, over 5 gallons. And I usually like Mr. Clean, but I ran out of that, so I'm going to use the Lysol instead. I like lemon scent, so try that. I'm going to try out a new Palmolive, new to me. I have never tried this one before, but it's just the Palmolive antibacterial. Picked up my scent booster. My LA's Totally Awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergent. I'm going to try out this new fabric sheet. I'm not sure if I've ever tried this one before, but you only get 20 sheets, but it's vanilla. It's very nice and strong. It smells amazing. And in regards to laundry, I thought that I would try this Swaddle Complete, and it has stain shield technology, 12 small loads. Just thought I would try that out. In this scent Sunshine Bloom, I picked up some of these pastel baking cups. You get 90 of these in here for $1. They last forever. And picked up some AAA and AA batteries to sanitize with hydrogen peroxide. It says many different uses, so definitely Google it. You get 32 fluid ounces for $1. More hand sanitizer. Now they have these refills, the 3 fluid ounce scented hand sanitizer refills for your little carrier that they sell with the hand sanitizer on. Now they just have the sanitizer, so I picked up one of these. I love the cucumber melon one, and then I also got another hand sanitizer today as well. So I also picked up this Home Essentials wet dry flat mop head. The handle is sewed separately, but I already own the handle and the broom part of it, so I picked up one of these. I also picked up the microfiber mop pad light duty, and this one, the microfiber pad heavy duty. So I got that stuff as well. And I'm really getting into deep cleaning and decluttering right now, so I bought a few extra things for that. And I bought 2 of these hand towels, so a brown one and a gray one. Health and beauty aisle, I picked up some more of the Assured brand 100% pure cotton balls, 100 count, can't beat that. I use these for my nail polish removal. Kids foaming bubble bath, love this stuff. It suds forever. A little goes a long way. I love this watermelon scent. I really like this. I picked up, and I am pretty sure this used to come in a bigger bottle, but that's okay. The Daily Moisturizing Lotion in the oatmeal. And it's in 8 ounces. Suave. This is a new deodorant to my Dollar Tree, and it is the rosemary and mint. So I thought I would pick that up to try. It's kind of like a clear, it's a clear solid. Now we're going to move on to the fun finds and the makeup finds as well. So today we did randomly find this, and it's a yard lawn decoration. It's just a pink flamingo. It is very cheap, like plasticky of course, but Connor said he wanted to put this in the yard, so we're going to put this in the flower garden. And I did find an interesting book today, Exhibit Alexandra, and it is a book, seems to be a book about a missing person. So I'm really into that. So can't wait to get into that as well. And last but not least, some makeup finds. I literally forgot that I picked up some hair items, and these are from the brand Stylin', and it's a really beautiful floral print headband. And same brand, I picked up these scrunchies, which I thought were super cute. And I did find a few new makeup-y items. I did find some more hard candy, so I'm going to share that with you. I did not pick up all the hard candy because I'm not interested in that. All of it. And there was L'Oreal, the metal like eyeshadows they had. I didn't pick up any of those. There was some Wet n Wild stuff. Didn't get any of that stuff. But lots of good brands at the Dollar Tree today. The LA Colors Dramatic Lash. I actually have used the Dollar Dramatic Lash from the Dollar General before, and I actually really like them. So today I got Designer, and I really like how these look like they have like, they're really wispy and they have like that 3D kind of effect to them. There's layers to them. And Dashing, same thing. Very beautiful. They also had these in several different color boxes, and they were all named differently, all different designs, but these were the two I was most interested in. The other ones were just really kind of basic and normal, and these are just really nice and dramatic. And then two more things. I found some more Julie G nail polish there. And these are actually one of the last collections I believe they came out with this wood grain kind of cap. And I really wanted that green from that line. And I have it today. There's two of these in here for $1. And one thing from Hard Candy. And I picked up their Stroke of Gorgeous Longwear Eyeliner in the Chrome Soft Glide. Hot Pants. So, it's a hot pink. Very beautiful. Well, I'm happy with the finds I found today. I'm excited to get into that book. And lots of household finds. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. We'll stay tuned for more hauls like this. If you see anything you're interested in seeing reviews or videos using, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And always check the description box and cards for additional links.